Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to go unprotected. And she popped the Tesla, now she gone electric.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have the pleasure of working with Curlyme hair. I want to thank them so much for allowing me to try out this wig that they sent. So first things first, I wanted to show you all everything that came in my packaging. This is the cap that they use to customize the wig or make the wig. They call it their M cap. And if you can see around like the ear tabs area or the ear area, it's curved in so your ears fit perfectly in that area, which is really, really nice. So it was dope to see what they used to make the wig. It also came with the envelope that has an adjustable band, an additional adjustable band, because it already has one that comes on the wig, and some additional combs, which was really nice. It also came with some more goodies, y'all. Like the packaging was top tier. Like it was definitely of quality. You got lashes, an elastic band, wig caps. The packaging and what came inside the packaging was of quality for sure. So this is the wig that they sent me. This is their 18-inch 9x6 HD lace kinky hair wig. Again, this is on their M cap, and this is a glueless wig, so you can wear this without glue, and you can wear this without applying hairspray, which I did, y'all. Like when y'all see the install, it literally took me 5 to 10 minutes to put the wig on and go. I kid you not. My first impressions was that the wig was made very well. The hair on the wig felt really, really nice. Again, it came with an adjustable strap in the wig already, which was nice. The lace, HD lace, very, very thin, very, very good quality. So I went ahead and just wet the hair down and defined the curls while the wig was off my head. And again, like I said, the hair is soft. Like for it to be like a tight curl, kinky curl texture, the curls and the hair is nice and soft, and I love that, y'all. To define my curls, I just used water and a lot of body mousse.
And she popped the Tesla, now she gone electric. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, think we got too sexy for that metro house. Diamond popped out, almost swallowed 60,000. Section need more things in here, I like it crowded. Yeah, I like it crowded. Oh, you like the boy, well tell me what you like about him. You a turned a little thotty, ain't no wife about it. I'ma fuck her friends and send her back to metro housing. Too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that chat. Yeah, yeah.
All right, y'all. So I'm applying the wig. Again, y'all know normally when I apply my wigs, I do them glueless, but I will apply hairspray to just adhere the lace down. But with this one, y'all, I just let it do what it's supposed to do or what it's meant to do, which is wear it glueless and to be able to just wear it on the go and take it off on the go. So y'all, like I applied this wig and that was it. Like put it on and go. Like I mean, I don't know. Like the wig itself, like because of the lace is so thin and it's just so soft. If you're really looking for a wig that's intended to throw on and go, and then you can take it off when you get home, babe, I'm telling you, like this this wig is for you, and I mean that wholeheartedly. I was thoroughly impressed with this wig and with everything that came with the packaging. Just this company itself, like I've seen videos on this hair and on this wig, and I was impressed from seeing the videos, but to be able to experience it myself, I'm really telling y'all, like I really enjoyed this wig. So yeah, y'all, I have all of their information and the details on the wig and everything down in the description box for any of you all that are interested. But yeah, y'all, like it's nothing else to say about this wig. I would definitely recommend this wig to any of you all that likes this look and is just looking for something that's easy, beginner friendly. Yeah, y'all. So thank you to Curlyme Hair for allowing me to try this wig. Again, I thank y'all so much and appreciate y'all. And thank each and every one of you for watching this video. I'm getting out of here, y'all. Talk to you guys later.
Send them back to metro housing.